Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Emirates NBD how to cancel credit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel or close your Emirates NBD credit card, the first method that you can use is call Emirates NBD customer care. The official way to cancel your credit card is contact Emirates NBD by phone. Inside UAE, you can find the number that is +971-6005-40000, and outside UAE the number is +971-6005-40000. And when prompted, say cancel credit card or ask the agent to cancel your card. They will verify your identity and begin the cancellation process. After you request cancellation, Emirates NBD typically calls you back within 4 working days to process it. But next is settle an outstanding balance. Before your card can be fully cancelled, pay any remaining balance on the credit card. Bank usually pays the card if there is still money owed. Third is get a clearance letter. If you need proof that your credit card has been cancelled or you owe nothing, you can request a credit card clearance letter after cancellation. This can be helpful for visa cancellation, leaving the country, or paperwork. Request it from UAE branches or by phone. It can take about 45 days after cancellation of the issue. Then alternative ways is some customers also visit a branch in person and request cancellation. Use the online or app to contact support messaging to ask for a callback from the agent as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down any questions that you have. See you soon on the next one.